So the chip doesn't look that bad. I mean, I'm trying to get a good angle of it, but it's basically in the clear right there on the edge. It doesn't really take out the carbon so much, but you know, that was something that I had sent them photos of and they said that they could fix. That was from when I crashed and it slid across the paving and probably caught, you know, the edge of the track when it went off. But they, you know, they said they were gonna re-clear that. They didn't touch that. And then the where the bubble was, which I'm just going from memory here, but I think it's right around here. I mean, they did a pretty good job on it, and I'm having a hard time showing you, but you can kind of see in the right light. You can see kind of where it was and everything. I'm not that worried about it. I guess it was superficial, right? But just, you know, the edge chip was kind of the bummer that I kind of wanted to get that done because, you know, they said that they would do it and it was like, okay, well then the $300 for shipping is kind of worth it if I get that done, because if I ever want to sell them, no one's going to buy it with the chip in the edge, even though it's not on a surface that holds air or anything. But I mean, the main bubble's gone and I'm going to be able to ride it, but you know, no one's going to buy it. No one's going to buy them with that chip. So I'm trying to see if I can show you that area. You can kind of see, you can see the deformation right there. See that? That's where it is. And so it's like, you know, it's smooth there, but I don't know, maybe that was the best they could do. And if you're looking for it, you see it. If you're not looking for it, I don't know that anybody would see it. It's just the chip's the bummer. The chip's the big thing. I mean, I kind of wish that they just fixed that for me, because it looks like something they could do pretty easily. It's not that deep. It's just like right in the surface.